Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and this episode I'm shooting with the GoPro, and things will change a little bit because Osmo Action has just launched in the morning. I'm going to post you the intro video because I've already talked about the specs, and you know what's going to be a major upgrade, which I think it's not about the front screen or anything. I actually would say there will be three major upgrades. The first major upgrade will be the audio. Now, I know that I'm using a Hero 5 session, so it's not an exact depiction, but DJI captivates in that audio segment, so when you are, in that audio segment and you want that perfect crisp audio, Osmo Action might be the answer. Why? Watch this. Now imagine this, that you guys are getting this quality audio, and it's shot with an Osmo Pocket right now. And if you're getting this quality audio on that Osmo Action, how amazing would it be, right? That is the reason I think Osmo Action actually now holds a lot of value. But rocksteady stabilization at 1080p was what I was actually looking for, because I use a lot of 1080p footage just because 4K sometimes it gets a little bit long, a little bit big, the files are too heavy to read, and 4K 60, as you know, it was my Osmo Pocket stuff was not reading on an iPad, and I'm a small content creator, to be very frank, so I do not have that luxury to buy a very expensive iMac and do editing on that. Now also, if you carefully notice the video, the FOV angle is not that ultra wide. It's just perfect, and that's where DJI Osmo Action actually was going to excel, because in that GoPro you get that fisheye thing, and fisheye stuff is more or less dead, to be very frank. If you're doing it for cinematic purposes, yes, there is HDR and all that good stuff. You're shooting at you shoot at D-Cine-like mode, which is the log profile and stuff like that, which you can color grade later on. And if you're a content creator, maybe all you need is a small action camera to show your perspective, and you need the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, if you have invested on that USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter accessory, that's going to work with your Osmo Action also. And it's only $39 compared to GoPro's $69 external big adapter. This is a small stick that you stick on to your Osmo Pocket, and you stick onto your Osmo Action. Yes, guys, a lot of talks, right? A lot of opinions in the channel. You might be, a lot of new guys who are hopping in the channel would say, where's the product, man? Just don't talk without a product. Well, guys, listen to this. Small channels like us, we do not get the luxury where big companies like DJI and everybody is going to invest or to give us a product for testing. One day when this channel grows big, and if I have all the funding to keep on this channel growing, and thank you guys for all of your support, maybe Osmo Action is coming in the channel. So yeah, keep on watching. I hope you enjoyed the launch. So this was all the information. 12 megapixel camera, Osmo Action, very good in lens glare. It has got a three glass section that will reduce lens glares and any sort of chromatic aberration. How good it is going to be, we are going to test that in the channel once I get hands on to it. It's going to be late because DJI is going to launch it, and then it's going to be a wait but once it comes, things will change. Till then, enjoy your Osmo Pocket, enjoy Opinions Matter, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up for presenting you guys a presentation, honest opinions, my perspective, and obviously this channel is Opinions Matter, which means that your perspective matters also. So leave down in a comment section below, what do you think, that is GoPro done and is DJI the future Or do you think that there is no purpose of upgrading just because it has a front screen? So let me know down in comment section below. Take care.